Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Uconnect in your Jeep Compass. First, make sure your vehicle is on and Uconnect is ready. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device. On the Uconnect touchscreen, tap the phone icon, then select Pair Device. Your device should appear on the screen. Select it and enter the 4-digit PIN displayed on both screens to confirm the connection. This process usually takes less than 1 minute. Connecting via USB is straightforward for both media and charging. Find the USB port, usually located in the center console or near the dashboard. Plug in your device using a standard USB cable. Uconnect will automatically recognize your device and present options for playing music or accessing other media files. This connection also provides a convenient way to charge your phone while driving. For a more integrated experience, connect your smartphone for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Simply plug your phone into the USB port using a certified cable. Uconnect will then ask if you wish to enable the feature. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the setup. This allows you to access your phone's navigation, messages, and music apps directly on the Uconnect display, enhancing your driving experience. If you encounter connection problems, try a few troubleshooting steps. First, restart both your Uconnect system and your mobile device. Ensure your Uconnect software is up to date. Check for updates in the settings menu. Inspect your USB cables for any damage and try a different port if available. Finally, delete any old device pairings from Uconnect and attempt to reconnect your device from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.